Leslie here from sunny Southern California, and today I'm going to do the tutorial for you of Canadian Stomp EZ. This is an EZ 60 count basic beginner dance. It has 16 counts, 4 walls. The choreographer is Amy Christian and the music is by Shania Twain, Any Man of Mine. So I will get on to teach it to you right now. We're going to start with our weight on the right leg, and we're going to tap the right toe, turning the knee in. We're going to scuff the heel, and we're going to stomp the right foot down. We're going to repeat with the left toe, heel, stamp. And again with the right toe, heel, stamp. Again with the left toe, heel, stamp. Let me face this way. Look on the diagonal, I think that'll be better. So it's a little toe, you brush the foot through, and then stamp. Then the left toe, heel, stamp. So you have counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. On that last and, you can clap. The choreographer would like you to clap. You would go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So let me turn around, do it one more time for you, and then we will go on. Of course, that's half of the dance almost. Here we go. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. You're going to step back with the right foot, then the left foot. On the counts of 1, 2. You're going to open both feet, right, left, right, left. And then you're going to bring both feet in together, right, left, right, left. So that is again, 2 steps back. 1, 2, open and close. Again, we have step, 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 step. The counts are 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yes? Good. All right, going on, we're going to do 4 heel togethers, heel switches. We've got our feet together, we're going to take our right leg and we're going to go heel together, start to turn an 8th, heel together, keep turning, heel together, heel together, and you're now facing 9 o'clock, and the dance is complete. Now we do it again. We take the toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp. We walk back. 1, 2, open, together, heel together, heel together, heel together, heel together. I'm not going to clap this time. You don't have to. Toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp. Walk back, right, left, heel right together, left together, right together, with the counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and last time, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, walk back, right, left, right, left, right, left, heel switches, making a quarter of a turn. No tags, no restarts, you just keep doing that. So if you're brand new, this is a good dance to learn. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you soon. Bye.